Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Because I Care. So today I'll be discussing about the second level of individual participation in the solid waste. This is part 2 of the series on waste management. So let's get started. So second level participation of individual means now you need to put little more efforts to manage your waste. As I mentioned in my previous video that we need to segregate our waste in the dry waste and the wet waste at the primary stage, so we can use that wet waste and can make compost out of this waste. So the advantage would be it would be environment friendly and it would be helpful for the plants also. The disadvantage if we don't follow this thing is actually that wet waste when go into landfills it produces very stinky smell. So that stinky smell which comes out of garbage, it is mostly because of that wet waste. And also that wet waste produces methane gas. So you may have noticed that the fire, sometimes the fire catches that garbage. It is because of that methane gas only, and that methane gas is also hazardous for our environment. So it pollutes our environment. So we should try that we should use our kitchen waste to make it into compost. And there are a lot of videos out there on YouTube. You can check the YouTube and you can create the compost at your home. That is 100% free, and that also not produces bad smell while there is conversion from the wet waste to that compost. So our wet waste will be utilized in this way. Now we will be left with plastics, cardboards, Tetra Packs, and broken glasses or blades. So the plastics, Tetra Packs and cardboards, if we can give it to kabadi wala or ragman, then that waste is utilized by itself. So we don't need to take care of it if we can give it to them, or all the creative people out there, you can show your creativity and convert that plastics and cardboards to create the decorative items at your home. So, and for hazardous waste dumping, actually there is a service on which we can call and they can pick your hazardous waste. So hazardous waste mostly includes batteries, the broken thermometers, or the cells. All these materials come under category of hazardous waste. So that the people can come and pick the hazardous waste, but most probably they'll charge something. So most of you will not prefer that way. So I can only say that just consciously throw that hazardous waste, or separately keep it in polythene, all the hazardous waste, and then throw. So and while throwing the blades and that broken glasses, just make sure that you keep those in the in plastic bottles, or you can use the unused cardboards or the collapsed cardboards. So you can wrap that cardboard on the glass or the blade and can wrap the tape over it and then throw it into the garbage, because there are people who are handling that waste, and there are small children which are into the rag picking business. So this activity may prevent those people to get hurt by these sharp objects. So I can only say that just be in your society, just be your just be the leader and try to educate more people, so that we can keep our environment safe. And at the end, I can only say that waste is not actually the waste, it is a resource, and it is we people who are making it waste. So bye for now, and I'll meet you in the next video.